Imagine if you could release stress, dissolve emotional blocks, and awaken higher states of consciousness through simple yet profound and seriously fun techniques. Imagine guiding someone's brainwaves into deep healing states, calming their whole nervous system, and reharmonizing their entire body, mind, and spirit within minutes. How would you like offering modalities your clients absolutely adore, ones that are easily elevating your entire practice? Namaste and welcome. I am Kumari, and I'm honored to initiate you into the ancient and now scientifically validated art of sound healing. For thousands of years, sages and mystics understood a truth that modern physics now confirms. Everything is vibrating energy and frequency. In even your thoughts, your emotions, your chakras, your cells, they all resonate with their own unique signature. In this sound healing life coach certification, you'll discover one of the most delightfully powerful healing modalities on the planet, and truly my favorites. And you don't need to be a musician, you don't even need to be a singer. Your voice and your presence are enough. We will weave ancient mystical traditions with leading edge science as you learn mantra, toning, chanting, intention, and crystal singing bowls, and how they gently guide the body back into harmony, physically, emotionally, mentally, and spiritually. You'll learn how crystal tones naturally train the brain into theta, that deep healing space, how vibration restores coherence in the nervous system, and how sound dissolves emotional blockages, even just using your own voice. You'll discover techniques to regulate the nervous system, release tension and emotional blockages, increase clarity and mental focus, and create deep relaxation and bliss. Not only that, you'll awaken into higher states of awareness effortlessly. You'll learn how to integrate sound healing into your coaching, energy healing, therapy sessions, workshops, retreats, and VIP immersions. And you'll receive my done-for-you full-day soul sound alchemy healing program. This is healing that bypasses resistance. It speaks directly to the cells and the soul and restores harmony from the inside out. Welcome to the frequency of transformation. So take a deep breath, open your heart, and get ready to awaken the healer's voice that is within you. And let's have some fun.